Good morning, everybody. We are live and we're going to start trading live right now. Let me just check that everything is being broadcasted to the YouTube channel. We can get started actually. All right, all right. We want this like this. Let's take a screenshot of how the account is starting today. Just because sometimes it's difficult for me to, you know, to actually um, see how much we made without that. So now everything is okay. Um, the screens are perfect. And I will leave that just there, I think. All right. And let me just go to my first pair. And then let me see what does the market have for us right now. USD CAD, I love USD CAD actually. USD CAD for a sell, I think it makes sense. Volume wise, the candle is present. I think it's a must take opportunity actually. Yeah, I am liking USD CAD. See this? Yes, USD CAD. I mean, AUD CAD, 0.24. Oh, it's right here. AUD CAD selling for 0.24. And I think our stop loss could just be a little bit on top of that wick. Just for making sure. We don't want to go on top of those tops because we don't have that much money for our stop. And let's record that we just opened AUD CAD for a sell. So we are implying that AUD is weak and that CAD is strong. That's our bias for the time being. AUD Gen, let me see if I wanna enter this. I do. I wanna enter AUD Gen. It's making sense for me. It's making sense for the system. Let me just see this. Let me just see something here. Things could be just getting worse before they get right, but for system and for levels and for everything, AUD Gen, I think it's making sense. So AUD Gen 0.32. AUD Gen for a sell. AUD Gen for a sell. All right, makes sense. This one we didn't have to adjust stop loss at all. AUD Gen. We are still saying AUD is weak, but we are saying that Gen is strong. We are saying that Gen is strong. Let's go. Oof, I like AUD NCD where it is standing at actually. It is really close to a very important dynamic line. Stop loss makes sense. Is where we want it. We are entering AUD NCD. the NCD 0.32. We don't have to adjust stop loss actually. is good because we don't have the money to take stop loss all the way here. It will be more than 25 pips, right? Look at this, 31 pips. So there is no reason why to spend that money. Let me see, with AUD USD, it really broke strongly. It could be making a retracement to the 0.61A. I am liking this, but I think it's not the best time to enter. I think this one will be nice to actually see it coming here and then go down. So if it reaches this area right there, I think we might want to sell or 50% of that actually. Let me just see where is 15. Actually, I'm lacking it for a sell too, right there. I think 15 is the point 0.5 of Fibonacci. No, it's a little bit on top of that. So, how they are the other trades doing? They are going against. I am wanting to sell the USD at 0.61A. We are very far away from. Oh my gosh, we are far away from. Um, Let me see how many pips we are away from the best possible entry. 17 pips. Um, Interesting what AED is doing. I love what it is doing. It definitely is signing, giving a signal for a sell. I don't know if it wants to test the 0.61A. I don't have enough money to get in right now. Yeah, I don't. But the candle is present over there. I think I wanna sell with the stop loss of right there. We are selling AUD USD actually. So not waiting for 0.61A. Volume already is doing its thing. Sometimes price just doesn't want to get back up all the way. Is it time for reversals? I think price is right at the moment of. No, it's not. It's just 3 pips shy of one of the best possible entries, but volume is getting shy as price. Let me just see this one. This one I don't like this candle. So if it might not be ready, let me just see how the other pairs are doing so far. So far negative, the decisions, but I'm loving AUD USD for a sell actually, because this was for me strong. This retracement looks weak. Price coming to an entry point very nicely. I think I want to see in 4H is a nice place to go. I'm getting into AUD USD actually. Actually, let me just go slower temporality. See, that's another. No, well, I don't like this candle and it has volume. So let me see, smaller temporality, price going up with volume increasing. So, and then see, price could still be going up. I'm gonna wait for 0.61A. I'm gonna get an alert here just to see if price wants to visit that area soon. 0.618 to sell AUD USD. All right, let me see if that, because volume is not helping us right now to the downside. even though price is a nice area to reverse, very nice area to reverse. How low? How far is 0.618 from price right now? I think we are getting in. Actually, AUD USD 0.24. Actually, I'm just liking it. I like how it's reversing. I mean, I like this reversal pattern. And let me grab the Fibonacci of this impulse because probably price will get shy over here. So I'm gonna have to put stop loss on top of the 0.61A. Don't like 21 pips the stop loss, but I don't have a choice because it's the time where price could get shy over there. That's AUD USD. We are still building on our idea of AUD being weak, but now USD came to become strong. That's the bias so far. That's our bias so far, and that is point because we increase risk a little bit. It's probably like 4.45 risk. If everything went wrong today, I think we will be losing around 0.45 to 0.50%. So I think I'm going to accept two more entries, and that's it. I just cannot. I It's gonna mess with my psychology to risk more than 1%. So I just will allow myself to risk 0.5. CAT did break to the upside, but then got very shy to keep going up, making nice wicks in for age. Look at this. This was perfect. This was awesome. I'm loving this one. Let me draw a fibro right here. I just rejected 0.618 and it got shy to keep going down. It did came back at the 0.618 right there, but then it didn't make it to the original impulse. So I think it will be late to get into this boy right here, unless it wants to visit this area right there. Again, 0.61A, right? If it comes back to the 0.61A, I think I want to sell, but so far, very late. It's not at a place that I would like to enter. That drawing just doesn't look pretty. Let me just switch the color of that. I really would like to see price doing some interesting stuff right here. Like here, then we could try a sell. But right now, the best moment to enter is gone. So we are going to let pass cat CHF and let's just see what things are going. Let me see Katjen. Katjen, the best entry already passed for a sell. Very nice entry for a sell. I think Katjen is gone. It could keep going down, but we are late, right? We are late. If we wanted to make an entry in here, we will be actually late, I think. So nothing to do Katjen. It doesn't have anything for us. Same thing CHF Gen, although this place could be a nice place for price to start going up again. But this volume was not strong. This is not strong. Volume is not talking to us. Where Euro AUD? Let me see Euro AUD. I think it's not the place we would like to enter, but EURCAT, I'm loving EURCAT. I'm entering EURCAT. 0.24. 124. Okay, so by entering to this trade on EUR cut, how to say EUR cut? I think EUR cut. EUR cut, we enter for a sell. So we are saying cut is strong, nice, and euro weak. That makes sense. USD getting strong, euro getting weak. It's now four trades, so I'm risking about 0.6% of my account. I will allow just one more trade for today. I think so. Because if everything were to be wrong, I don't want to lose more than zero point 0.8 or even zero point 0.1. Euro CHF, I like what it is. I like what it is. I am liking what it is. Yes, I am selling Euro CHF right now. And that's gonna be the last trade of today. Euro CHF point 16. And then I will tell you why I'm taking these decisions. I'm feeling like teaching something today. Too bad I don't have. I will write to support of TradingView today so you can see my face. Euro CHF. We are saying Euro weak, yes, and CHF. We are saying CHF strong. All right. Okay, so I entered five trades, most of them with 10 pips stop loss, but some are bigger. So I'm probably losing 0.6% or 0.8% today. So let me just show you what is going on in here. Let me just show you what's going on. All right. Let's come back to this screen. Okay, and then let's find the text editor, and then let's have them both in the same screen. But this screen is maximized, so it's giving us trouble, I think. But here we go. Okay, so let me show you why we are taking these decisions so far. This is the journal, right? Do you keep a journal? All right. Today is, let me see, be consistent. How am I writing the dates? Like this, okay. I am doing 3 lines and then date, right? Without space, okay. And today is February 14, trading live for sure. So interesting. Let me just try to put some dots in there. So price let us, the editor let us write on top of here, so you see it nice and shine. And let me see if I can make size a little bit bigger for you, so that uh, and then I can adjust the size, right? Yeah. All right. Yes, like this. All right, but then we have to come here again and then put this voice together again. This, I mean, I think we're fine like this. Oh, and then you're not seeing the live again. I think TradingView doesn't allow me to share my screen or something like that, because in the live video it's not showing things anymore. I don't know why TradingView is doing that, but at least I had the broadcast open so I could see. I need to talk to support, because at some points it just blocks the streaming, right? I mean, what's the problem they have of me showing you the screen of the things I'm trading, the things I'm doing. All right, where's the editor? Right here. Yeah. Sorry guys. And I want this one on the left, this one on the right. But then where is our trading machine? So trading here and broadcast here. Trading there, broadcast there, and the editor with the broadcast. Okay, now we're fine. Yes. We're gonna have, or should we have everything in just the same? No, I want this one. I mean this, right? With the editor there. Yes, that's what we want. Actually. Okay, so what we are doing, let me show you what's going on here. Interesting thing happening today, right? Reading. Okay, first phone call of the day. Let me just, oh my gosh, let me just get this phone call quick. I think it can wait. Okay, it's gonna wait. So, interesting thing going on. Reading Mark Douglas, I think Douglas like this. Interesting how to do this one, right? Mark Douglas's book, Trading in the Zone. I am, for the third time, I am becoming more aware of the inherent risk in every position. Traders must accept the risk of every trade. Right now, I entered 5 positions for a cumulative risk of about between point 6 and 0.9. I might want to bring another laptop for the Facebook Live event or something like that. Actually, that will be interesting to do. Maybe next time. Okay. Right now, I entered 5 positions for a cumulative risk of between 0.6 and 0.9. Percent. So what that means is that if everything goes south, meaning every trade going against my bias or my trades positions, the total loss of the account will add up to points between 0.6 and 0.9%. That will be in USD about what's point if 1% is $800, right? it should be about 550 and 750 USD, right? So I think that is as much, that is as high as my mentality can go. This is a challenge based account, so it has the rules of prop firms, right? So the problem, I like typing and writing because in my head it makes more sense. And even though Euro CHF is going down very nicely, probably all the other trades are going against us, because if that is working so well, the only thing it means is that many other things are going so bad. So AUD Gen is kind of in there, hanging in there, but AUD CAD and an ear cut going bad. Pretty bad ear cut, just about to hit stop loss. Very close to our stop loss. The broker doesn't want to show us the position. See, Israel's just getting there. I think it was even one of the trades that. No, I think it has a normal stop loss, right? But it sucks because, well, it doesn't suck, right? These things can happen, and we are okay with that. So I think as high as my mentality can go, this is a challenge-based account, so it has a rules for function. So the issue of having great losses is that I really feel it will be so hard to try to overcome a big loss, right? Trying to overcome a big loss, I think, sucks. So if I lose 202% today, right? Tomorrow I have to make up for that, and making up for that, I think is going to suck. So that's why I just want to lose 0.6 or 0.9, because I know that I have chances to recover that without getting crazy. I think so. That's what I will say. So so very nice. So conclusion, right? Conclusion. The conclusion of this idea is, instead of having too many entries, let me just see. Let me just organize this thought. This thought is important too. There must be a balance between taking profits and the taking massive between closing all positions at once if profit makes sense, and the amount of positions, the amount of trades, just to do not say positions all the time, entered per day, right? There must be a balance in there. If everything goes right, then life is nice. But if something went wrong and we had overtrade that day, then it will be very difficult to try and revert and recover such loss. Um, but if we keep trades, um, if we keep a balance between how much are we, how much risk we are willing to accept, and if we keep a balance between how much risk we're willing to accept and how long we willing to we are able to hold positions, I think I think I could be closer to what professional winners, the traders, consistent winners are doing, right? So let me just read what I just wrote because I'm so excited about today. So interesting thing happening today. Reading Mark Douglas's book Trading in the Sun for the third time. I'm becoming more aware of the inherent risk in every position. Traders must accept the risk of every trade. Right now I entered five positions for a cumulative risk of between 0.6 and 0.9%. So what that means is that if everything goes south, meaning every trade going goes meaning every trade goes against my positions, the total loss of the account will add up between 0.6 and 0.9%. That will be in USD about 550 and 750 USD. So I think that is as high as my mentality can go. This is a challenge-based account, so it has the rules of preference. The issue of having great losses is that I really feel it will be so hard to try to overcome a loss, right? That thought is because if I enter so many positions like 10 or 20 pairs instead of just five like today, and if everything goes wrong, it's going to be 2% loss, right? 20 pairs at 0.1% per risk is 2% loss at least. And then when I adjust a little bit stop losses to go as high as the last week or so, then it's more than 2%. So conclusion, right? There must be a balance between closing all positions at once if profit makes sense and the amount of trades entered per day. If everything goes right, life then life is nice. But if something went wrong and we had overtrade that day, then it will be very difficult to try and recover such loss. But if we keep a balance between how much risk we are willing to accept and how long we are able to hold positions, I think it could be closer to what consistent winners are doing. So let me see if in what I wrote today there is something to put in the system. Like when I color things green, it goes to the system, right? It's not very often that I color points green in the journal, but these green things of the journal just change the system. So let me just see if something of today goes to the system. I think. mm, I don't think today there is anything for the system because it's just building on just what we always do, right? So then what I just want to do right now, set aside the journal for a bit and now put together the results and the trading view, because I want to have now everything in the same screen. I want to see all my positions in the same screen. So I'm just gonna open trading view with the layout of open to one, and then I'm going to put, because we have 5 positions right now, I only have trading view 4 positions available to show. Let me just take this out, and let's put here, let me just do AUD cat, then we have AUD Gen, then we have AUD USD, then we have EUR cat, all selling, right? We are selling all these beauties, and let's see how they are doing. And then I have another screen for the last pair, which is let me just do, oops, let's just do open two, and because it's just one pair, let's just have it like this. Okay, and here we will put Euro CHF, Euro CHF. All right, we are selling all these things. We are losing so far, I think, 0.17 of the account. At risk, we have 0.6 or 0.8. So Euro CHF going up strongly. Let me see it in 5 minutes. All right, so we are trying to see if price is able to go down, but Euro CHF looks pretty bad, because right at this point is where price usually should get away, and then it went away, but to the upside. We were intending for it to go away for the downside. Things are going to start getting crazy in the house right now, because we have 3 parties of children at children's school. My kids have celebrations in their different schools, so my wife is very soon going to start asking me for some stuff. So we have to accept these things are going to be like this. Let me just try to put just in here, just the positions only. Let's see positions only for a while. Then we don't need to see that. I think we can do this one like this, right? Okay, positions only, and let me just open it up a little bit. So Euro CHF is in profit, even though it's bouncing upwards right now. It's in profit. Let me just put the stop losses in blue. Let's just put where the stop losses are right now. AUD cat, right? AUD cat has a stop loss of AUD cat has a stop loss of 0.8793. So let me just put that AUD cat stop loss where it's at right now. That doesn't make sense. Let me just fix what is going on. A year cat stop loss, right? It ends at 38. Paste. It's not letting me copy it. So let's copy it in our brain. 0.87938. 0.87938. All right, so that's the stop loss, guys. Let's see if price is nice enough to come back. I don't know where is the all our lines. I think this is not AUD cat pair that we are expecting. AUD cat, it should be FXCM, right? So let's put the stop loss again at 0.8798. All right, that's the stop loss. I think it's a nice stop. Of course, things are not going the way we expected, but I think we are still in all our positions. Nothing has hit stop loss yet, but let's keep finding our stop losses. Let me put the AUD Gen, which AUD Gen and AUD USD, all of them are going towards the stop loss. So let's do AUD USD first. Stop loss is about AUD USD is 0.65036. 0.65036. AUD USD 0.65036. That's a stop loss. No, that is not right. 0.65036. Why it says that AUD USD has a stop loss of 0.65036? I think I put this. Oh yeah, it's because I went all the way on top of the 0.618. That sucks because that's a long way stop loss of AUD USD. It's at about 19 pips, but I think we're gonna have to do it for that one. That's way long stop loss. All right, let's see AUD Gen. Okay, AUD Gen has a stop loss of 97.707. AUD Gen going towards a stop loss 97.707, right there. All right, AUD Gen going crazily towards the stop loss. Let's see how it hits stop loss. AUD Gen. All right, price went against us. It's about to hit stop loss right there. Let's see it together. And why I like to see this, because I love to see this, and there is a reason why. I used to put so many more positions in here before price reached stop loss. I used to do this, and I used to price is coming to my stop loss. Move the stop loss here. Put the stop loss right here because price went against me. Oh no! and then price kept going, and then I kept moving the stop loss, and then I kept over trading, sell, 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 and then the account was over. Game was over, account was burned. So obviously today this trade went against us. Um, it can happen for sure. Price is was unexpected. Those things can happen. Stop loss is hit. AUDGen took the stop loss right now, and let's see what else is taking stop loss, because if AUDGen went wrong, then then probably something else is also going, like AUD cat, same candle, right? AUD cat is preparing to go to stop loss 2. And let me just do this so I can keep telling you before it reaches the stop loss what I used to do. I used to, oh, it's going to stop loss, sell, 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 sell. Oh, let's put bigger risk so that we can recover this loss, right? Oh, but move the stop loss over here. Maybe price will come back. And yes, many times you can get it right. And if you put so many crazy trades and then price comes back, you make lots of money, right? And you're so happy. Oh, I'm the best. And then you post on Facebook your MT4 platform showing so great profits, right? Yeah, that doesn't matter. You know why? Because sooner or later you get the day when, even though you sold, 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 and put your stop loss up there, price did go over there. And that day, my friends, is when you end up losing, when you lose all of your account, and when you are done for that account at least. So these things can happen, those things are given. Yes, price could do something different than you expect. And the other problem with that, let me just tell you what is. What is the other problem? I just feel like teaching today. So, when you are right and you overtrade it and put your stop losses up there, and then price did go back, you get out like here, because that's a lot of money right here. If I had overtraded a lot and moved my stop losses up there, then with this movement that price just did, I will get out, right? Because, oh, nice, I was saved. God gave me a second chance. Life is happy, life is great, cool. But then you get out really quick. And but if price goes against and you are over trading, let me tell you what is happening. You keep moving your stop loss right there. You keep adding more positions against you until the money is gone, until your account is over. Until your account is over. So when people overtrade, they get out really quick. They just get out too fast, right? If I were to say here, oh no, price is going against me, add more positions, get these stop losses right there. Price goes against, then I keep adding positions, sell, sell, sell. Oh no, almost stop loss. Well, move it a little bit more. Then price keeps going, and oh no, put the stop loss up there, add more positions, and then the money is gone. It's what people have to understand. That is what this is all about. This business is all about this. Sometimes if you get it wrong, If you overtraded to try to overcome the loss, this is money loss, right? Because the entry is this. Try to overcome because they don't accept the inherent risk of every trade. Just what Mark Douglas teaches or taught because the guy passed away. So that is the lesson. I hope everyone is able to see what I am trying to teach right there. And even if price went on my direction, if I had added more positions here and put the stop loss in there, if price goes in your direction, you get out of here. Oh, see, because all these trades will be in profit, right? And then that is loss. So it's just taking stop loss. That is fine. So that is what I'm talking about. So AUD cut stop loss. All right. But doesn't matter. I am out of that trade. I didn't lose my account. I couldn't care if now it goes my direction because so many times it does. So many times after it hits your stop loss, it goes back. But I don't care because so many times also price keep going. But I don't care. My stop loss is taken. I am out of that position. This pair is not giving me money anymore. It's not giving me stress anymore. And my account is safe. Why is it safe? Because it has lost today 0.28%. 0.28%. Remember what I was saying. I am okay with losing zero point 0.6 or 0.8% of my account per day, per losing day. So when I am wrong and when I lose, I want to lose maximum zero point 0.6 or zero point 0.8 or sometimes 1%. So so let me just see what positions are alive, if any. Today was a poor day. Euro CHF is alive and winning, and it's selling. So Euro cut could be good. AUD and CD. So the positions lost were AUD cut, and we also lost AUD Gen, right? Yes. AUD cat and AUD Gen lost. We're still alive on AUD USD, your cat, your CHF. So let's go really quick here and let's just put them here or alive positions. AUD USD, um, Euro cat, and Euro CHF. So these are the positions we are right now still alive. I didn't even have time to put the stop loss on these ones in the graph because the other guys went to stop loss really quick. So there was no chance for me to adjust this thing. But now I have a little bit of time window to put these stop losses right. So let's just check where is the stop loss on these ones, right? So let's see positions, right? Positions only. Okay. Euro CHF has a stop loss of about 0.9519. 0.9519. All right, that's the stop loss of Euro CHF. Let's see, Euro CAT has a stop loss of 1.45421. 1.45421. So I think it's stop loss already, right? Let's see Euro CAT. Let's see how Euro CAT reaches a stop loss. Is almost there to reach our stop loss. Euro CAT. Loving. I actually am liking these days to report the stop losses, right? That little wick is just our safe haven right now. Is saving us that little thing. Price could reverse there, or price could not. Anyway, um, I'm so glad that I am a different trader now. The market doesn't. I mean, it's just the way it is, and understanding this has made me a better trader now. Things go wrong, don't burn your account. I'm so happy I have accepted the risk for um, I have accepted the risk of 0.6 or 0.9%. So I have lost so far today 0.3%. That's the loss of today, 0.3%. I am okay with that. I think if the day ended like that, I could survive trying tomorrow to overcome that. I will be able to handle such loss. To start, can you imagine to start a day with minus 2% when you have a proprietary firm rules to follow? I just don't want to. Some other traders can risk 3% and then they win 7, right? Bless their hearts, good for them. I just cannot lose more than 1% per day. And never 1% per trade. Not per trade. No, no, no. I will not accept 1% of risk just with one position. I just don't. So, Eurocat, Eurocat, it's trying to survive or stop loss. Maybe they will survive it. Maybe not. Well, doesn't matter. Whatever the price does, price is going to do it anyway. So let me just place the stop loss of AUD USD, and AUD USD has a stop loss of 0.65039. Oh, it's already there. That one is already there. It's on the 0.5 of the Fibonacci level. This Fibonacci is 0.32, 0.5, 0.618. So price is there. The positions open are those. Full transparency. The opened positions are there. Stop losses are given. Um, that's how things are going so far. Stop loss in blue. already lost two pairs at 0.2% or something like that. So yeah, I think let me just see how the system looks like in terms of taking profits and stuff. Let me just show you something really quick, right? Um, so right now it is 10 a.m. So the best possible scenario didn't happen today because that means that price will have this column. I mean, let me show you this. Right. So that just means these ones. I'm talking about these ones when I am showing you that these columns. So the best thing that can happen is for the profit column go up right away, immediately, right? We just start and then it just goes up, and then we're so happy. And then if that happens, you should usually get off with 0.3 or 0.5% of profits by 10 or 11 a.m. But that didn't happen today. And actually, I am trying to see if this can go a little bit higher than this. But sometimes, even if the immediate outcome started red by 10 or 11, overall outcome has come back and sits for a while between 0.1% and 0.4. So we could still shoot for this scenario because it's just 10:16. I am in Mexico City time, UTC -6. So I'm still before 11 a.m. So I think price still could reverse to a profit of between zero point 0.3 or zero point 0.5. Let's see how things are going. Right? Price is not. Um, prices still prices. Price overall results are still in drawdown with a sum of 0.20 point minus 0.3% of the account with EuroCat looking bad. EuroCat, I think, very close to the stop loss. Maybe price would like to test that high. I don't know. That's just much risk that I'm willing to today. So I'm not gonna move my stop loss right there. Euro CHF though is going down, and if it breaks this level right here of the 500 psychological level, then we are fine because then it could retest it and could keep going down. When it broke it, it didn't show too much excitement to keep breaking it. So I hope it can still go up, down, but EuroCat I think is getting very close to the stop loss right there. Of course, the account it's safe. We are not burning any accounts today. I don't think I'm gonna burn an account again because sessions. Oh, let's do this one. Losing 0.3% of the account. Price getting close to the stop loss in year cut. Nice weeks. saving us from the stop loss hit, and Euro CHF moving nicely. So AUD USD is in negative, but I think it's respecting the 0.5% of Fibonacci. So that's how things are going today, right? I'm so excited for what price has been doing in terms of um, result, overall results. I like that I am becoming a more savvy trader who doesn't burn accounts just crazily. Um, so let me just see what's going on here. Um, I think Eurocat is about to reach the stop loss, but AUD is currently doing nice formations to the downside, although we would like this candle to have had much more volume than the one that it just showed. Things could still keep going towards our stop loss. And to lose big today in the sense of losing the maximum I am currently accepting, which is zero point 0.6 or 0.8%. So things are going kind of okay on EuroCHF and AUD, but since EuroCAD is about to reach the stop loss right now, okay, stop loss hit, EuroCAD, um, EuroCAD just hit stop loss. It joins AUD Gen and AUD CAD, AUD Gen and EuroCAD stop loss today. All right, so I don't watch them anymore. Once they took my money, bless their hearts, good luck with their lives. I don't see them anymore, right? Those pairs are not doing anything to me. They cannot hurt me anymore. I don't have any reason why to have them open. So I don't see them anymore. So why do I want to see them? Stop loss hit, right? Past, next. Go to next trade. Your stop loss is hit, go to your next trade. And keep your system. We're alright. Euro CHF currently trying to reverse or bad results so far of today. In terms of statistics, well, today is a minus 0.31% so far, and that is completely okay. That is all right. We can accept that. Okay. Alright. Mhm. Mm, Alright. Just got some assignments from my other job, and I think I can do them while saying this. This is bad in Euro CHF because price will explode to the upside. Thankfully, it stopped right there at that interaction. Um, We're going to hold those two positions um, to see what the market ends up doing. But so far, that is what it is. Mm, your CHF is just rejecting a very important place, very important zone. So it could just go all the way up, but it could just also keep going down. So we're gonna wait. Of course, risk is measured. We are prepared to lose zero point 0.6 or zero point 0.8 or even zero point 0.9 today. The account can lose that much. It's not the end of the world if it went going to be the case. Let me just switch what I am sharing with you on the screen. Too many screens. Let me just try to organize this thing a little bit. Right? Let me just organize things. Let's clean things up a little bit. Just here. This is the screen I was looking for. So let me just make sure which screen you watch. I think it will be nice to watch. Let me see. I think. Let me just see what screen you're looking at. If you see this one, oh, it's Scrum tabs. What is showing? What about window? Chrome tab? No, window, right? Then I want you to see this one, the one with the open trades, right? Bear with me. Stay on this screen. Let me see if TradingView is showing that. At least in the, yeah, it's being broadcasted live. Let me see if TradingView is nice enough to let you see it home screen. I mean full screen. Yeah. Well, those are the open trades. Those are the stop losses. Um, Stop loss is the blue line on top of price. If stop loss were going to hit that, we will lose zero point 0.6 or 0.9% of the accounts today. I'm very hesitant to let these trades open because it's time for reversal. So usually at this time, price reverses and so many other reasons why price should reverse at those moments in time. I'm just not sure about this one though. We'll see. Chat looks like it's going to just doesn't seem it wants to break, but this was nice to see this change in volume. So I'm still thinking that price could still break that level right there. And I think we are in a good position right there. Let's hope that things can um, reverse a little bit for us. Mhm. Okay. Alright. That's how price is behaving. Stop loss placed. But I would like to see those page reverse a little bit today. I think it's not what I would like. Well, yeah, I would like to see that, and I'm completely okay if that doesn't happen. Yeah, that's actually what it is. All right. Price seems like it is respecting a very important psychological point in price in Euro CHF. AUD looks like it could reverse right there, and of course, Euro CHF is respecting nice ceiling from previous sessions, so I think those two entries are okay. Those are our last open trades, and they could help us to overcome some of the losses that we experienced today. Three of the five pairs we entered are took stop loss, and these two do not seem moving so far, like anyway, like fast. But let's keep let's keep trying. Let's keep seeing what could keep happening. All right, so let me just this here. Yes, price seems respecting important, very important place in Euro CHF. It doesn't seem moving so much, but it could be it could be just getting ready to explode upwards, I think. Let's hope it breaks that level though. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yes, price gives there. Alright, let me see how things are going. Price not moving there too much. So right now, not, let's just see. Um, yeah, AUD is waking up, and Euro CHF cool reverse right there. So things still do not look good. All right, let's doing this. Just okay. Hmm. Yeah, the USD breaking up. The CHF also breaking up. Losing day today, that's fine. Those things can happen, and I am okay with that. Alright, alright. A negative day so far, but still alive in those two trades. So things could still go our way. Alright. Things could still go our way. So we are okay. Alright. Things could still reverse. So far losing day. Things could still reverse. So far losing day. Things could still reverse. But so far losing day. Okay. Things could still reverse. So far, a losing day, but happy with my transformation, happy with the way I trade nowadays, which is um, accepting the inherent risk of every trade. All right. Well, so far losing day. Thankfully, UCHF still debating if crossing or not that level. In terms of winning or losing, well, the day is still negative, um, but uh, minus 0.3% so far. If we were going to close everything right now, we will end up with a loss of minus 0.3%, which is not wrong, which is not bad, but I don't think there is any reason why we should close everything as of right now. And now let's all right. Still, still, thankfully, AM. Same things will still go our way. Let's see what happens. Mhm. All right. We're still hoping for USDC to break down. The USD to keep breaking down. Let's see what happens. Everything can still happen. Let's see. Mhm. Okay. So price is still debating if breaking or not. Um, still cool. I think we're alright. I love the way we are approaching the markets now, which is just getting into the positions that we are accepting the inherent risk of every decision. I like that we were also true to our bias and we were recording what our bias was in terms of what currencies could show strength or weaknesses, strength of weakness or weakness, and the only one I don't like too much is UCHF. Um, so in terms of Euro CHF, um, I think um, let me just do something really quick. So UCHF USD. Right. I like backwards USD, Euro CHF. Okay. Um, so I think USD just broke to the upside. Broke this week, which was kind of like our insurance. The CHF is still there. That could decide to go up, but EUDUSD is just not fun right now to watch. EUDUSD is at a negative. This one is the one that we set stop loss higher. just because this line is the 0.61a. Um, uh, all right, let me see something here. Okay. Yep. Let me just check why the screen is not being shared. Okay, the screen is being shared now. Threads are still open. AUD. Yes. Well, I also have AUD NCD. I thought I just had two. There is an AUD NCD trade opened, and I haven't put the stop loss of it. The stop loss is 1.0666. 1.0666. All right. That's the stop loss. It has a good stop loss actually. Hmm. Okay. Let me see why not. You're not watching the screen. At least it seems that yes, things are okay now. Alright, AUD NCD has the stop loss placed. AUD USD. Euro CHF surprisingly is trying to break the 500 um, you know psychological level quarter point, and AUD NCD just doing a kind of a formation that could be selling, that could be going for a sell, which is nice. That is nice to see. All right. So Euro CHF breaking down of the quarter point right now. That is the good news of the day, because we have nice position over there. AUD USD trying to break down, and AUD NCD making a formation that could actually sell. Actually, but well, it's bad that price couldn't break this level. Usually, that is the level to break. Still, everything could happen. It's the time where it should happen. Well, the time already passed for crazy breakouts, I think. So that is unfortunate. I was expecting something stronger here to the downside. Um, so there are all of the stop losses right there. Losing so far a cumulative loss of 0.32%. Um, so let me just see what's going on here. Okay, let me just see this. So Euro CHF, well, in terms of structure, it's not nice because you know what, this hit was nice, but was clean. This was clean to the upside, and then this is a kind of weak reversal to the psychological level. The only reason why we think that could work is all these weeks, right? All these weeks and all this rejection of that level. That's why we are in it. And then this kind of a flag that could have been like a fake one. So that's why we are in this trade because of this double top, this possible M forming to maybe come all the way to this level, right? But in small time frame, it doesn't look good. Well, actually, this candle is nice because it has low volume. So if price was really trying to get away from this level, this volume should have been way higher than that. So we are still in the trade. We are still believing it could actually go our way. Great. Well, sometimes by this time of the day, we already hit TP1 on some of our entries. Today, nothing has hit take profit. Not even just a little take profit one was was unfortunate. The the positions that were lost today already is EUR CAD and AUD CAD, and I think AUD Gen. Yes. So then I added six. It was not just five, it was six. It was EuroCAD, it was AUD CAD, it was AUD Gen, it was Euro CHF. No, I mean, um, yeah, I think so. AUD USD and AUD NCD, right? Those were the trades entered today, and the loser ones have been EuroCAD, AUD CAD, and CAD and AUD Gen. Those ones were lost, and that's why they account for minus 0.3%. This 0.3% in red is because of that, actually. All right. So now let's see the positions that are still open. It's AUD NCD, AUD USD, and a Euro CHF, with Euro CHF being responsible for the time being profitable in the open trades, but the other two are still in the negative. Um, so here we are. Um, Okay, so AUD NCD. NCDs are crazy. I can't believe we have an NCD open, NCD pair. Let me just look at some structures that maybe could put us in a good position to be trading these currencies right now. Let's just hope for the better, hope for the best on the structure and the movement of things. Let's get started. AUD NCD made a lower low here. It broke so many things. And let's see in terms of Fibonacci what it is doing. 0.32. So I think if it doesn't go back today, then I think it's going to come all the way here and maybe there. If it doesn't do it right now, I think its price could be wanting to go all the way over there. And Euro CHF, well, this was strong, but then look at this. This makes me believe that this one has very nice chances to do a nice at least here, I think. And AUD USD, well, this one because of that super nice hit, I think it's like at a good place to reverse right now because of what time is it. But of course, it could just want to do more like something like that. If it was going to keep going down. Of course, these levels are right now here, so because of the zone that price is respecting here, that's why we are selling it already, because this is an important zone, this right there. That's why we are selling that already. Stop loss is off there. Let's see how things keep going. But for the time being, negative day, losing already minus 0.32%. If we were going to take everything out, if we were gonna get out of every position, we will end up in a negative day. Today, but I am liking what I am seeing. The only trade that I think went up in risk was AUD USD. That's why I think we can lose 0.9% or something like that today if everything gets lost. Of course, with the overall winning of 1.55%, 0.9 leaves us still in profit. Of course, the week is still in profit, in positive numbers. So let's just look at this pair, which is positive so far. The entry was nice. Of course, this is a great super sun right there, and price seems like wants to respect it with the intention of doing a flag. But so if if that was all the info that I had, I wouldn't be selling. But because I have this here, that's why I believe the M makes sense, and that's what I'm selling. If all the info I had was this flag, probably I will be buying, right? But I'm looking at this formation that I love, watching M's and W's happening, and this to me is a natural, very nice, beautiful M that could be forming. So that's why I am selling that pair. Um, but things going more negative now. So I think, yeah, AUD is breaking to the upside. Breaking to the upside, AUD playing with the point 0.5 of the Fibonacci retracement. It has held nicely so far, but seems that doesn't feel like holding for so long. Maybe we were precipitated in entering a position, but well, I think it was okay because of the time of the day of the entry. So um, let's see what the system says. Let's see what our system recommends. Let me just do one thing here. Okay, let's just do something really quick. What is the transmission? Okay, I'm looking for um, I'm looking for the trading view live stream. What it is? Hello, hello. Okay, what is our live stream? Maybe I can access it from here. Let's see. Streams, right? What if I click? Oh, the upcoming, right? Maybe upcoming screen. Yeah. Okay, I can access the streaming here. No, I cannot. Yes, I don't know. I'm learning just to do this, but it doesn't show me the screens that can be shared. What is this? I don't think it's this screen. Well, I'm looking for a screen that, so I will have to close these things so I can finally. This is it, I think. Alright, I want to share with you the trader, this tab right now. AUD USD going south, but the CHF going well. This Euro CHF breaking down of a strong psychological point, so that one could end up being nice, but it's bad that we have AUD NCD and AUD USD because all of them are breaking up. Nice that this could be a safe line because price is shy to break to the upside and there are nice levels here, so and probably to break that could still be about to happen. So we are happy this one is breaking down. That's why it keeps the losses a little bit calm. All right.